There are two ways to use the HomeSoap UV sanitizer and charger. Right now I have my Galaxy S24 in there, and I have my PS5 controller with the cable charger to charge it while it's in use. We're just going to close the door and then turn it on by just pressing it once, and it's on. But at any time that you want to take out the device, just open the door, and there you go. But let's say you want to do a 10-minute cycle. Then you're going to hold it down for about 3 seconds until this starts flashing. That lets you know that it's going to be ready. So you're going to open the door and put all the stuff in there. And then once you close it, it's going to turn on to let you know that the timer has started. But let's say you forgot something and you want to put something in, or you want to take something out, where you can open it and do whatever you need to do, and then close it. It's still going. It doesn't turn off until the 10 minutes are up. And this has been the HomeSoap sanitizer with the charger.